Kia ora, this is Glenn from Velobike in New Zealand, and these are instructions on how to turn your direct drive trainer into the ultimate track bike erg. The kit comes with a standard Shimano single speed adapter set with spacers, and a pair of dropout adapters to fit your 120mm track bike dropouts. You will need a pair of latex gloves and a paper towel, a chain whip, a cassette removal tool, and a set of Allen keys. For this demonstration we are using the Tacx Neo 2T trainer. All trainers are different, so it may require a different method to fit on the adapter. To begin the conversion, it is a good idea to put on some rubber gloves. The first step is to remove the quick release skewer. Using a chain whip and cassette removal tool, unscrew the cassette nut. Then slide off the cassette. Now that everything is removed, you may slide on the single speed spacers. I like to begin with the two widest spacers first. This gives us greater adjustability for chain alignment later on. Slide on the single speed cog. Slide on the remaining spacers from largest to smallest. On my freehub body, the very smallest spacer isn't required. Lastly, you may tighten up the cassette nut using a chain whip and cassette tool. You're going to want to fit the 135mm quick release axle adapter that came with your trainer. The last step before fitting on the bike is to reinsert the quick release skewer. On the dropout adapters, thread the bolts loosely into them. Each adapter needs to be a mirror of one another. Slide the adapters into the bike's dropouts. The bolt heads should be facing inwards. Tighten the bolts finger tight. Sit the bike back onto the trainer and nip up the quick release skewer. Because of the dropout adapters, an extra 5 to 6 extra chain links will be required. For ease of setting up your bike on the trainer in the future, it's easiest to make a short detachable chain section that you can quick link in and out of the chain. Tug back on the bike to tension the chain, and using a 6mm Allen key, nip up the bolts as best as you can on both dropouts. To fully tighten the bolts, lift off the bike and fully tighten. Place the bike back onto the trainer and fasten the quick release firmly. Double check the chain line and adjust the chain tensioners if necessary. And there we have it, the single speed adapter for your direct drive trainer.